Many of you have lost the motivation to study or find it difficult to study with everything being online. If you have not been able to study till now but wish to cover up for your loss, then you are at the right place. Hello everyone, welcome to Study Jane. I am a third year MBBS student studying at Government Medical College. As we all know, during these tough times, all school and colleges are closed, which is affecting the lives of students. So in today's video, I will share with you tips that will help you to study during this era of online classes. Like the video if you are new to my channel, and to never miss informative tips like this, do subscribe and ring the bell icon. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Attend online lectures. Even if you might feel boring to attend online lectures, it's better to do something than nothing. You get to learn and understand the concepts. Teachers tell about important questions. Be active and engage in class. If there are no online lectures provided by your school, you can watch it on YouTube. But don't get distracted. Tip number 2. Take notes. Handwritten notes are the best. Revise the notes and you can go through them during exams. As these are written by you, they are easy to memorize. Tip number 4. Go through your textbooks after lecture. The points which you have missed during lecture will be covered while reading the textbooks. Reading textbooks just after lecture will help you in understanding the subject better, and as you have attended the lecture, it will be easy for you and less time consuming and more retaining. If you are finding these tips useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video, and click on the bell icon to never miss a video from me. Tip number 5. Study in group. You can discuss what you have learned with your friends over call. Divide the topics among yourself and discuss accordingly. You can ask questions and explain answers. Keep a fixed schedule for your study group sessions, so you are motivated to complete the topics on time. Tip number 6. Go through questions or solve a test or a paper available to you. This helps you to understand how much of the knowledge you have retained, what are the important topics, what mistakes you make, and note them so you won't repeat them. Tip number 7. If you have doubts, then don't hesitate to ask for help. Ask your friends, seniors, teachers, or you can search it online. It might be difficult for you to gather confidence to ask for help, but it's worth it. Don't think about what others might say. Just ask your doubts. Your studies are more important. Tip number 8. Take care of yourself. These are difficult times. Don't panic if you haven't started with your studies. It's never too late. You can start now. Take care of your mental health. Meditate, exercise, learn new hobbies, spend time with your family. Have social media detox from time to time. Lastly, hold yourself accountable, practice time management, create a schedule and manage your time wisely, keep a semester and weekly calendar, stay organized and be thorough, have a designated study space that is free of distraction so you can focus on your work. Figure out how you learn the best. I have mentioned these points and on how to use them in detail in my previous video of study tips. Do watch it if you haven't. I will provide the link in the description below. So these were my study tips for online classes. Try these tips and start studying immediately, and do tell me in the comments below which of these tips were useful for you. If you find these tips helpful, please like the video and share it with your study mates. I will be uploading more study tips and vlogs on regular basis, so subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. See you in the next video. Until then, keep studying with Study Jane.